Now children, before I do these kind of more questions, with you, I want to do the order of operations. This is still left in computation operations. So I want to finish this thing with you. Okay, so shall I start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Now, order of operations, for this, there is a specific term that we use. It is BODMAS. BODMAS. Now, BODMAS has a specific meaning.
I want to ask something.
Yes, Alarika, is it from the test?
No, it's from this chapter.
Okay, is it a doubt, Alarika?
Yes.
From which exercise, bacha?
No exercise, ma'am. Is BODMAS that bracket?
Yeah, I'm explaining. First, listen to me, you'll understand, and then ask me if there is a doubt. Okay, I'm explaining what is BODMAS, and I'll tell you even how to do questions on BODMAS. Now, B means brackets first. If we have a question, the first thing that we have to do is we have to solve all the brackets given in the question. Okay, this order thing will not be a part for you in grade 3, but you should know that O means order. Orders are like powers, square roots. You will be learning this in further grades. It is not part of grade 3 thing. Okay, so you just need to understand that first thing is you have to solve all the brackets. Then we come to D. D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, and S means subtraction. Now, what does this BODMAS mean? BODMAS means that in a question, if I have all the 4 operations, first thing is I'm going to solve all the brackets. I will not look at which operation is given in the bracket. I'm going to solve all the brackets. Once I solve all the brackets, if I have all the 4 operations given in my question, that I will do division first, then I will do multiplication, then I will do addition, and then I will do subtraction. I'm going to follow this order: division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. If I do not follow this order, then my answer will go wrong. So first step is solve all the brackets. Second step is check if there is a division thing. If there is a division operation involved, then divide. Third step, check if multiplication is involved, then multiply. Fourth step, check if addition is involved, add. Fifth step, check if subtraction is there, then subtract. The only thing that you will not be doing is orders. Orders you will start doing from grade 4. I will see if there is any question on orders in your worksheet, then I will explain orders. But I don't think there will be any question on that. So Larika, I'm coming to you. Just wait for 2 more minutes. Let's look at one of the questions first to understand that what all I said. Does that make any sense? Orders explanation is given. Wait, can I open whiteboard? I'll just stop sharing this and I want to open whiteboard.
Yeah, ma'am. Yes,
read the question on my own, okay? Now, I will write a question on my own. Have not written any kind of bracket in the question because first I am explaining you BODMAS. I have written a question wherein all 4 operations are involved. So how will I solve it? I'm going to explain that. First is division. I can see division sign here. So what I will do is that I will underline the two numbers in between which division sign is given to me. Okay? I will solve this first. What is 27 divided by 3? 9.
9.
Okay? I have written 9 and rest of this thing I am going to write as it is. I will copy in the second line. I'm not making any change. I'm just copying it. The only thing I did is that I solved division part. बच्चा mute करो सब लोग अपने आप को. The only thing that I did is I solved division because that is the first thing that I had to do. Next step, multiply. Check where is the multiplication sign. Here is the multiplication sign. Underline the two numbers in between which multiplication sign is given. Alarika, 2 minutes ruko. Let me finish and then I'm coming to you. Now, what is 7 into 2? It is 14.
Ma'am, it's 14.
So now I am writing 14 just below 7 into 2. And the rest of the part I will copy as it is. I will not do anything with the rest of the part. Whatever is before before 14, I will copy as it is. Whatever is after 14, I will copy as it is. My multiplication is done. Next step, is there any addition involved? Yes, I can see plus sign here. Now underline these two numbers. What is 14 plus 9?
23.
23. And the rest of the thing I am going to copy as it is. Whatever I'm putting in square is what I'm copying down. Now the last step is subtraction. Yes, subtraction is left. So what is 23?
Ma'am, the answer is 18.
18. This is how we will do a question if all 4 operations are there. If any of the operation is missing, suppose division is there, multiplication is there, but addition is not there, then I will move on to subtraction. Or suppose division is there, after that multiplication is not there, then I will leave that, I will move on to the next thing. If multiplication is not there, then I will move on to addition and then subtraction. So, but we have to follow BODMAS. If division is there, first thing is division. If multiplication is there, second thing is multiplication. If addition is there, third thing is addition. If subtraction is there, fourth thing is subtraction. But before all these operations, we will solve all the brackets. I will be doing questions from worksheet to explain you how to solve brackets. Now, Alarika, you can ask me what is the question, then I'll come to you, Mukund. Yes, Alarika.
Mama, I didn't understand what did you do in this BODMAS.
So why were you were not paying attention when I was explaining? You had this thing only going on in mind.
No,
I will explain again. I'll explain again.
and
What is your question?
ma'am, you said it goes from left to right. If it shows like division and multiplication, why can't it show like subtraction and addition?
No, there is no fixed thing that we have to go from left to right. Division can be anywhere. Multiplication can be anywhere. So wherever it is, we will underline that sign and we will underline the two numbers in between which the sign is there. But we will follow this only. First division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. Wherever it is in the question, no problem.
I understand the question, but I didn't understand it that what to copy, where to copy.
Acha, see, Alarika, first thing I did is I solved division. Okay. And I wrote the answer, which is 9. Rest of the thing which is given in the first row, I copied it straight away. That is plus 7 multiplied by 2 minus 5. I am not solving 2 steps at this one go. I am solving it step by step. First division is done. Rest everything remains the same. In the second step, if you see, I am doing 7 into 2, but rest everything is same. 9 plus is same in the third row and minus 5 is also same. We will do more questions on this, then you will understand. We have to just keep in mind that we have to go step by step. We will do one step at a time and rest everything will remain the same in the question. Whatever is there in the equation, that will remain the same. One step at one go. We can't do division, multiplication, two things together. No, one step at a time. I will do more questions with you on this. Abhi ruko, I'll open the sheet and I'm going to do more questions. Okay.
Hi.
Share. Which is this PPT? This is my class 7th PPT. 1 second. Okay, let's have a look here. 2.3. See, let's have a look at these questions and we will solve them. Okay, Alarika, see first question. Alarika, are you there with me?
Yes.
Okay, first question says 5 plus 7 multiply by 4 minus there is a bracket. So what is my first step to solve the bracket? Right?
Yes.
Yes. So Alarika, if I solve the bracket, what will I get? Inside the bracket, it says 11 plus 6. So what do I get as an answer?
17.
17. Now, what did I do? I only solved bracket and I have written the answer. Rest, everything is same?
Yes.
Yes. Now, what is my second step? My second step is check for the mass sign. Is there any division involved in the question?
No.
Is there any multiplication involved in the question? Where is the yes. So now I have underlined this. Now what will I do? In the next line, I will write 5 plus as it is and I will solve multiplication. What is 7 into 4? 7 into 4 is? 28. So I have written 28 and minus 17 will come as it is.
Oh.
So, okay, like this I am going step by step. Now, is there any addition involved?
Yes, see, it's a plus.
It is here, right? So, what is 28 plus 5?
5 plus 28. I'm 78.
Bacha, what are you doing? Where are you placing 5? 5 will come below 8, not below 2.
Oh.
Kya kiya?
33.
33. So, now 5 plus 28 is 33 and then minus 17 as it is.
Oh, ma'am, so I thought it all wrong. I thought that मुझे बस first चीजें करनी है, बाकी मैं ऐसे ही छोड़ दूंगी.
नहीं, हम स्टेप बाय स्टेप करेंगे. सबसे पहले अगर ब्रैकेट है तो ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करेंगे, बाकी पूरा इक्वेशन एज इट इज रहेगा. फिर डिवीजन सॉल्व करेंगे, रेस्ट विल रिमेन द सेम. देन मल्टीप्लिकेशन, रेस्ट विल रिमेन द सेम. Then addition, rest will remain the same, and then subtraction. Finish. So my answer will be what? What is 33 minus 17?
Yes.
What is 33 minus 17?
15.
No.
16.
16. Yes, it is 16. Okay. Now I want, okay, let's do question number 2 also, because in question number 2, I can see all multiplication everywhere. It says 5 multiply by 2 multiply by 8 minus bracket. So what I will do, I will copy the whole thing same and I will only solve bracket in my first step. So 5 into 2 into 8 minus, what will I get when I solve the bracket? What is 12 into 9?
108.
108. So in my first step, I'm solving only bracket and rest everything is same. Now, do you see multiplication sign, and that is in between three numbers, not two. 5 multiply by 2 multiply by 8. So now I will have to multiply all these three numbers. Why? Because there is no division in this question. So if there is no division, let's move on to multiplication. What is 5 into 2? It is 10.
10.
10 into 8 is
80.
80.
18.
So I will write 80 minus 108.
How can we do that?
I will tell you how to do it. This is also
108 minus 80. This is
108
minus
actually,
80.
Actually, it is now integers. We do integers in grade 5. Whenever the answer is in negative, this is not a whole number. This is an integer. But I will tell you how to do it in case if you face such a question. Because such kind of a question can come. If it is in the worksheet, it can come in exam also. So for you to understand, we can't do 80 minus 108. My bigger number is 108 and smaller number is 80. So I will have to subtract 80 only from 108. But because my bigger number is carrying a minus sign with it, so my answer will also carry minus sign with it. Because the big number out of the two is carrying a negative sign. So my answer will also carry negative sign. वो हम लेके चलेंगे. So if I subtract 180 from 108, I get 28. But rather than writing 28, because 108 has a minus sign with it, so my answer will be minus 28. And you will study negative numbers when you will study integers, and that you will study in grade 5. But for the time being, keep this in mind. Question, then you will subtract smaller number only from bigger number. But if bigger number has negative sign, then your answer will also carry negative sign. ये किसकी डांट पड़ रही है? अनम्यूट पे डांट खा रहा है?
मैम आराध्या.
आराध्या की
आराध्या.
किसी और की. Somebody else is being scolded. Huh? So is this question clear, children?
Ma'am, Aradhya and Abdul were muted, so that's why I said. And Aradhya quickly, when she muted herself, the voice was gone, and Abdul was unmuted.
Okay. So is this question clear, everyone? समझ आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes.